Making money while you're doing what you love has a different kind of feeling. Why? Because you're doing what you love. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Tochi, and on this channel, we talk about how to improve your brand and also how to grow your business. So, the first on my list is identifying the potential market. Ensure that your hobby actually has a market. Okay, so don't just start producing because I just said make money while doing what you love. So you have to identify that this hobby has a market, like a potential market. You have people who are ready to buy the product. So I'm going to just use like shoemaking for example. So you love shoes or you love making shoes for yourself and you want to monetize it. So you need to ensure that your shoe making business is going to sell or is going to have a target audience or a market that you will sell it to. It's very important, very, very important. The next on my list is for you to make sure that you have something you're bringing different from what other people are bringing. Your styling, your quality, your unique selling point, basically. So ensure that you have a unique selling point of whatever product that you want to bring to the market. And then the third is for you to test the product. In testing this product, you don't need to produce massively or, you know, pushing it into the market. You could just have a few number of people who are going to like tell you what they think about the product. So you produce it and give to a few number of people, people that you trust their judgment for them to tell you what they think about the product. You could even give, for example, you could even give people that are selling this product, like after it has been produced by the producer, they are selling. So you could give them to, test it and know what they think and compare it with other products that other brands that are bringing the same type of products to them and then give you a feedback. It's a very good way of starting. After that, then you create a business plan. See, a lot of people are on this table of not creating a business plan. They are just running their businesses without having a business plan. Some businesses thrive without business plans, but once they are getting bigger, they need a better structure for their business, which will get them back to creating a business plan. Because if you have a business plan, you know your direction, you know the goals that you have set, you know your mission, you know your vision, and then you know your target audience mainly for you to sell your products. So creating a business plan is very important. Which brings me to the next point, and that is registering your business. You could start your business while testing and all of that, and you haven't registered it. That's very understandable and all. But once you have started running the business, you need to register your business. In fact, before you start fully, you need to register your business, especially is depending especially in the industry of your business. Some businesses are very necessary for you to register before you start because before you know it, the name you have in your head, someone else has taken it and you start scouting for names. And apart from that, it gives you more leverage, more people to trust you that this business is real and authentic, right? So you need to register your business. You need to learn pricing, you know, pricing your product or service. You need to learn how to price it. I have a full video on how you can price your product, secrets to pricing your products and all of that, and I'm going to link it somewhere here, or I'm going to also link it in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, learn how to price your products because you're coming from it's my hobby, and the mindset you might be using is it's my hobby, so I don't really feel like I should be making much profit from it. So just go watch that video to educate you more on how you can price your product. Let's move to marketing strategies, online and offline. So you need to learn to market, you need to have a marketing strategy. Okay, learn how you can market your product. I also have a video on how to like market your product on a low cost budget. So I'm also going to link it somewhere here for you to watch on how you can market your business, your brand on a low budget as a startup. Okay, so learn how to marketing strategies that you could use to market your business for you to make profit. The last point is managing your time well. At this point, you're feeling it's a hobby and I love doing it. I want to put in more effort. Of course, that's very all right. But you need to be able to differentiate time of work and time for you to rest. Because if you don't have time for rest, you're going to burn out. And when you burn out, you can even start producing inferior products, or the products are not, you're not going to be creative enough to have nice designs that would attract more customers to you. So you need to be able to differentiate your resting time and your working hours. As much as it's a hobby that you love doing, you still need to have your rest and recuperate for another day or another time for work. Remember that monetizing your hobby is like the best thing you can do for yourself, because you're just going to always wake up every morning effortlessly, knowing that you're going to do what you like doing best. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.